the Chevrolet Impala, a name that has echoed through American automotive history for over 6 decades. With its full-size comfort, smooth ride, and strong presence on the road, the Impala became a household name and a trusted symbol of Chevrolet's ability to blend practicality with prestige. Welcome to Auto Analyst, where we professionally break down the cars that shape the world. Today, we take a close look at the Chevrolet Impala, a vehicle that started as a stylish cruiser and ended as one of the most recognized sedans in America. The Impala was first introduced in 1958 as a top-tier trim of the Chevrolet Bel Air, but it wasn't long before it became a standalone model, offering luxury features, bold styling, and powerful engines in a full-size package. Throughout the 60s and 70s, the Impala earned a strong reputation for comfort, space, and V8 performance. Often seen cruising highways and boulevards across the country, over the years, the Impala evolved with the times. In the 1990s, it took on a more aggressive look with models like the Impala SS, which brought back performance in a 4-door format. Later generations focused more on refinement, offering spacious cabins, quiet rides, and advanced safety features to appeal to families and commuters. The final generation, discontinued in 2020, was a modern front-wheel drive sedan that offered sleek styling and everyday usability. With a clean, aerodynamic design, LED accents, and a wide stance, it looked elegant without being over the top. Inside, the Impala featured a roomy interior with soft-touch materials, an intuitive infotainment system, and seating for 5 adults in comfort. Under the hood, the last Impala offered a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 305 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It wasn't built for racing, but for highway cruising. The Impala offered confident acceleration and a quiet, stable ride. It was the kind of car that could cover long distances with ease. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual-zone climate control, and advanced driver assist systems made it feel up-to-date, while safety features such as lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and rear cross-traffic alert gave drivers peace of mind. The Chevrolet Impala may be gone from new car showrooms, but its legacy remains strong. It was a car that blended tradition and innovation, power and comfort, an all-American sedan that stood tall through decades of change. Stay tuned to Auto Analyst for more expert vehicle reviews, deep automotive history, and full breakdowns of the cars that made their mark.